As this video suggests, what's in my drawers? No, not those kind of drawers. Sorry. What's in my makeup drawers? So, on top there, jewellery box, you know, usual stuff. But let's go with the lower drawer first. Usual stuff in there, mainly stuff for feet, nails, that sort of stuff there. So that's actually my close-up mirror for makeup. So bits and pieces, yeah, for just being neat and tidy. Now it gets a bit more interesting in this drawer. So a couple of trays. So under there is my backup makeup. So unused, mainly unused stuff, and stuff that I've purchased in, I know I'm going to need at some point. Lots of different types of powders and stuff like that. Blends that I've made myself. So you can see there. So you've got the different Leishner ones. We've got the Kryolan one there. So I've taken the lids off and managed to get powder everywhere. So as you can see, there are different blends of powders that I've come to make. Not just for myself, you know, clientele will have different skin tones. I might be using tanning products, or I might be pasty white and just need something almost as translucent as my skin. So as you can see here, primarily I've got Kryolan products. What's this one? Yeah, 4W. So again, it's, you know, I don't have absolutely everything. My stuff is primarily material that I've purchased and that I know that works for me over the years and for the majority of the people that I do makeup on. So, you know, I'm absolutely open to suggestion. So it goes back in there. So that's the normal Kryolan TL2 I've got there, and various sponges. So that's that drawer. So in this drawer, as you can see, loads of different Kryolan aquas, mascaras, eyelash glues, eyeshadows, various glitters that are in there. You've seen on a previous video there. I've got the glitter powder. If I just lift out the drawer, there we go. So there we have various stick-on gems, backup glue, dirty great big bloody drag queen eyelashes, and actually for some reason 3 boxes of lower eyelashes. I think I went a bit nuts on eBay that day. Blushes, so you know, various colours of blushes. So if you haven't noticed, got my feet done. Check those out. Gorgeously pink. Matches the nails on the hands. But back to what's in my drawers. This is the pretty much the hair drawer. So as usual stuff, conditioners, foam. Big favourite of mine is the hair volumizing powder. Alice band for holding my hair back. Got a wig down there that occasionally I'll pop on just for fun. And backup brushes, so, and hair pieces. So that's all very nice. and a few various perfumes I like. Feel free to get me perfume, always a winner. Right, next drawer, again more hair, jewellery box there. God, I've got tons of jewellery. Clipping hair extensions, hair dryer, and I've got roller styler and various. Take that out. There you go. Got various tools that are trade. So if I can, I do prefer paying a professional to do my hair. I can do my hair quite nicely. Got the kit, but sometimes just not the time. Right. So the last drawer. Main set of brushes. So from left to right, big powder brush, then a selection of brushes basically for light tones, whites, pinks, that's it. Middle section there for blushes, full section along there for dark, and the last section here is essentially for wet products like lipsticks, liners, and a little bit of foundation brush. So these are my mainstay brushes, and they really do the job for me. Tend to use that brush for iridescent purposes. As you can see, probably just easier if I lift this out. Yay. So what we got there is my eyeshadow, usual stuff. Stencils for eyebrows. Pencils, sharpeners, gel liners. Let's see. Ooh. Selection of lipsticks, iridescent powders. So got 3 different types in there. Again, a lot of this is just mainly for me, and various eyeshadows, and but it's all interchangeable. There's no rule that you can't say use a dark tone. I know there's a brown in here. Eyeshadow, and I've used it for lip liner. It's as simple as that. There's no set rules. Be creative with your makeup. Yeah. Enjoy. I've shown you my drawers.